That's so fun.
Yeah.
No battery. Uh-oh.
She's pretty stumped.
Oh, sheesh.
Give me a cookie slap after you were like, oh, I didn't even mean to. I think that was just like a reaction.
You startled me. I'm not used to my butt.
What did you say?
Smash.
Yeah.
Watch out, girls. Be loud, be loud, be loud.
Here we go, LC. Let's go, Lauren. Nice job, kid.
Come on, LC. Learn the strike zone, girls. Learn the strike zone. Not much. She needs a red card.
We're doing red? I got red.
Yeah, I got.
She needs one. Here, go over
You
to
guys are fun boys. She said red. Okay, here we go, Ford.
Choose the wrong person.
Dance. Way to put in play.
Nice job, Chase. I don't know whether. Oh, he's back.
Good hustle, Chasey. Guys, let's be quick in the base pads. Catch her slow.
Come on, Brookie Brooks. More, Chase. Chase, more.
Take advantage, girls. Let's go.
If you can be the shortstop, go. Lead the shortstop. It's up there. It's stuck in the net. Did she score?
She should score. Yeah.
I feel like
That's your kid.
I feel like in the backyard. I feel like in the backyard.
Wiffle ball game. Let's go 1-7.
My brother and I got so bored or whatever, I mean, at wiffle ball, he said there's no foul balls.
Oh, really?
So we pitch, you pitch me, I turn around and I stroke it that way and hit it over the fence and into the neighbor's like backyard. And then every time you went around, you had to run. Good job. Hey, a hit's a hit.
Let's go 17. Execute.
Right up the middle, indefensible. Come on, 1-7. One out, rookies.
That's it. All right. Round and look. Round and look. There's no one here. There's no one here. Yeah, watch her.
No.
Get it fat. I like it. See ball, hit ball. Let's go, eat.
Wait, I missed it right here.
Line drive up to left
Miner's
field.
throw.
Throw on third base. She runs.
Good job, Marcel.
Get ready.
Right here.
Get low, you're too tall. Put your hands right. Get one hand down. Thank you.
Set right here.
Nope.
Up.
That's a gift. That's a gift. Get up.
Guys, got to get up. You know that left field is coming in. You still got to pop up.
Marissa, one out.
Hey, straighten out, E. Let's go, E. One down, Glory.
Get back, 1-7. Brooke up. Pick her up. He goes, you go. Okay? Brooke, on your team.
Hey, straighten out, E. Come on, babe. Hey, good at bat. I like it. Good job, E. Great at bat.
Joe. Joe, do you want to run it down?
No, I'm fine. I'm good.
No, you're good. Just be easy. Just be easy.
Please don't make me regret this. Sliders through.
Easy, be easy. Okay, that's totally backyard softball.
Is that above the pipe?
I don't know. I think it's if you hit it above the pad, maybe. I don't know. I didn't see where it hit. I just saw the left fielder give up.
I think it's got to be above the pipe. To be a home run.
What do you need? I don't even know where it went.
No, the ball's in the net.
Hey, Bella, okay? Thanks, Dave. Birthday shots, I gotcha. Or soon to be birthday shots. Yeah. It counts. I thought it was a double.
She was like,
it's a home run.
She was like this at me. And I was like,
Bella, here we go, kid. You got it.
good job.
You're all right, you're all right. Hey, watch it all the way in, kid. You got this, G.
Let's go, G.
Nice shot, G.
LC.
She's ready.
LC.
She's ready.
You can have some of mine.
I have fruit.
Strawberries and pineapples.
I have fruit too in this little cooler thing.
Oh, that's illegal though.
No, there's none in there. There's none in
You're
there.
not allowed to bring coolers.
There's none in there.